In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Read More button in Google Sites. This simple feature can enhance your website by creating a more streamlined and professional appearance, guiding your visitors to more content with a clean design. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few easy steps. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. Open your web browser and head over to Google Sites. If you haven't already set up a site, you might see an option that says Untitled Site, which you can click on to begin crafting your project. Once you're there, you'll notice a neat and intuitive interface that lets you customize your site according to your needs. Next, focus your attention on the toolbar where you'll find various options to enhance your site. Look for the button that simply says Button and click on it. This option is fundamental in adding interactive elements to your site. Clicking it will prompt a small window or a menu to pop up, where you can input specific details for the button you're about to configure. Now think about what you'd like your new button to say. In this tutorial we're calling it Read More, but you can certainly customize this to fit your theme or the call to action you desire. Click inside the name field and type your chosen text. Be concise and make sure the action is clear to your audience. Following this, you'll need to specify where this button should direct your visitors when they click it. On the same menu where you typed in the button name, there will be a field to add a link. Click on it and you'll have several options to choose where the button will lead. You can link it to another page within your site, a specific section on the same page, or even an external resource. Select the most appropriate option for your content flow, ensuring a seamless user experience. Once you've completed this step, you're nearly done. All that's left is to click the Insert button. Doing so will place your newly created button onto your site page. You can then drag it around or resize it to your liking, making sure it fits harmoniously with the rest of your site design. Adding a Read More button is an incredibly efficient way to keep your web pages tidy while still providing depth and additional information to your audience. Not only does it improve the aesthetics of your web design, but it also enhances navigational ease for your visitors. And there you have it, a perfectly placed Read More button on your Google site. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride in optimizing your website. Thanks for joining me today and happy site editing.